Well, hello again. It is absolutely lovely to see you. I'm just here in my humble shed, drinking a nice glass of white wine, and I'm going to talk to you about multiplying decimals and sales and profit. It's very important in business to be able to make a profit. And a profit means that you sell whatever you're producing, you sell it for more than you paid. Because obviously, if you're selling a lovely wash kit to people in the hospital, you clearly need to sell it for more than it costs you to buy it. You have to buy it from somewhere, and you're going to sell it for £12.45. Well, I wonder how much it costs you to buy it. Like, we could say maybe, well, I don't know, maybe £10. That would be about right, wouldn't it? So the wash kit that we sell, we're going to sell at £12.45. I must say that's a total bargain. But it costs us £10 to buy it from the wash kit company. So our profit is how much we sell it for minus how much we pay for it when we buy it. So I'm talking about the hospital here. So the wash kit is sold in the hospital shop for £12.45, but the hospital has to buy it from somebody, the wash kit manufacturer, for £10. Therefore, each wash kit shows a profit of £2.45. Now, later on, we've got to talk about profit, and we're asked to look at the profit, um, which is 20% of the total. So we're going to have a look at that a little bit later. However, you should know that profit is the selling price minus what they have to pay to buy the wash kit in the first place. And all shops, all hospitals have the same thing. They have to go and buy things that they then sell to you. And they have to pay less than when they buy it than what you pay for it in the shop. Otherwise, they will go out of business. And very bad news. All businesses and hospitals have to make a profit. Now, let's have a jolly good look at this wash kit. So it's sold for £12.45, and we sell six of them. So we need two new columns, the value of what we sell in week one and the value of what we sell in week two. And in week one, the value of wash kits sold, well, it's 6 times £12.45. So we should be able to do that. We probably need something clever, like a column multiplication. So we do 6 times £12.45, and we find that the value of wash kits sold in week one is £74.70. We do the same for week two, where we sold 5 wash kits, also at £12.45. The total value of what we sold, those 5 wash kits, was £62.25. Now, let's look at the headphones. I do like headphones. I do love to listen to my classical music over the headphones. They cost me in the hospital £11.36, and I'm selling 9 of them. The total value of that is £102.24. In week two, I didn't sell quite as many. I only sold 8, but they were still £11.36. So I do 8 times £11.36, and I get £90.88. And I'm going to carry on doing that all the way down for hospital magazines, ebook readers, pajamas, of all things, and night dresses, and crossword puzzle books. And from there, once we've calculated the value of each of those items and how many we sold, we can then add them up for each week. So the total value of wash kits, headphones, magazines, readers, pajamas, night dresses, crossword puzzles, and we come to a total. And we do the same for week two, and then we can answer the question of how much money was made in total each week. It's going to be absolutely fascinating. Now, what I propose is that I let you have a look at this spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a very clever, cunning little thing which allows us to do calculations very easily. I'm very sorry that we are asking you to do these calculations by hand. It's terribly, terribly awful and cruel. However, you need to learn. Okay? So, we are now going to set this spreadsheet going and see if you can figure out what is going on and see if we can get to a nice answer by the end of this session. So I'm going to rub out all this mess that I've created. I hope I am anyway. And then we're going to start the spreadsheet going and see if we can work out what on earth is going on. Here we go. Here we go. So here we go. We're going to start off by looking at our wash kit in some detail. And we're going to multiply the price of the wash kit, £12.45, by 6. So that's C8 times D8. And we get our answer, £74.70. That's amazing. Fantastic, in fact. Now this one, we're going to go price times the number sold, 5, in week 2. And we get another value for wash kits in week 2. Now, this is very, very clever. We're going to manage to copy that all the way down so that we get the value for each price. Now, that's taken you about a week to do that, hasn't it? You see what a spreadsheet can do for you. We make it bold to make it look nice. Now, we've now got the total value of each item in the 2 weeks. We can now add up for week 1. We go sum, and then we select all the items, and we add them together. £632.70, not bad at all. And in week 2, let's see if it's more or less. We're going to sum them up, and we end up with a little bit more. That's awfully good. It's frightfully good, actually. So we then talked about 20% of the total goes to the hospital as profit. So we can work that out because we just need 20%. Remember, that's the same as 1/5 of the 2 totals. So 20% of week 1 is 20% of 632. It's going to be about, I don't know, £100 or something. Not a bad amount, to be honest. We multiply by 0.2. That should do the trick. It's the same as working out 20%. And we get £126.54. Not bad at all as profit. That's the value of what we sold less how much it cost us to buy. We do the same for week 2. Look at this. Week 2 is just a tiny bit better. We can check how much because we can go 129.07 minus, that's take away or subtract 126.54, and we get £2.53. So we can see that week 2 is just a little teeny weeny little bit better than week 1. The answer is week 2. Well done, everybody, in week 2. We've made more profits. Goodbye. Farewell. Have a lovely, lovely day.